no more than 2 hours. Okay, first of all, I would like to thank everyone who participated in being there for me. And one day when I was talking to one of my USA friends, or the American friends, he told me that, actually I asked him that, do you think that the USA is the best country in the world? He said that, I don't know and I don't care about that. Because no country in the world deserves to be the best. All the countries in the world need to be good for humans, because if there is a best, so this means that there is a worst country. And this is not good for humans. All the humans need to be in a good country for them to live. And I think that from whatever I saw during this semester, and from whatever our teachers taught us, or taught us, that we can do this as one of our goals for the future. Living in the world that have a lot of good places for all the humans is the main goal that we all need to live for. Okay. First of all, one day we were just strangers. No one of us knows the others. We were just individuals in the USA once we arrived here. But with time, we started to know each other better. We started to understand each other better. We started to identify ourselves to the others in a better way. So a lot of stereotypes, a lot of wrong ideas and expressions about the others were gone forever. Right now we know each other better. We understand each other better. We know that there are a lot in common between us or among us. And we respect the differences that identify each of us. So thank you for everyone that participated in learning us the culture or the aspect of respecting the differences and working on a common goal. One of the aspects, one of the concepts that a lot of you shared with me one day is that we are here as ambassadors of our countries. So we need to show the best of us and the best of our cultures and civilizations for the others in order to gain their respect and in order to communicate our ideas to the others. So I guess that maybe all of you, or at least almost all of you, succeeded in this goal by showing all the best of your countries. And I think that being here as a big happy family together, having a friend from all around the world, give us the opportunity to be the representatives of this community when we can go back to our countries, telling the others that I have friends from all around the world, and we were good. We succeeded to build a community of trust, a community of respect, a community of love among the others. So I guess that when we succeeded to do that here, we can succeed to do that in our countries and all around the world. I don't want to take all the afternoon, so I would like to thank everyone to be here. I would like to wish all the best for you in your IELTS or TOEFL tests and scores. I would like to say for the people that will leave soon that thank you for your friendship, thank you for your kindness, thank you for your time with us, and we all wish you the best in your future. I don't have to forget about that, but the ELI staff and faculty did the great job by teaching us everything about the English, and it is not just about the English. They participated in our smoothly transit to this new culture and new civilization, new environment for us, and we all appreciate their job and their role in our life. I think that they did all the best, and they are continuing to do that. So thank you everybody, and have a